An ornamental tree valued for its leaves and attractive fruit. What a majestic tree it is! Introducing Camagong Jespyrus discolor of the family Ibinaceae. Camagong is considered one of the premium species of the Philippines. The name Camagong is the most widely used name for all the members of the genus Jespyrus. This is a species whose fruits and wood have different names. The fruit is called mabulo, referring to its characteristic velvety hairs, while the wood is commonly called camagong. It is a large, slow-growing evergreen tree found in forests at low and medium altitudes. The wood of camagong, famous for being dark, is used for cabinet work, furniture, tall handles, fingerboards, guitar, and violin case, drawing instruments, shuttles, bobbins, spindles, combs, and novelties. Fruits can be eaten raw or cooked. The ripe fruit is mildly sweet and gives a strong cheese-like odor. This elegant roadway tree is often used as a shade tree along the sides of roads. It is an ornamental tree valued for its leaves and attractive fruit. This tree is also used for urban gardening, windbreaks, and erosion control. Camagong is a velvet apple or mabulo is an underutilized fruit. Traditionally, various parts of camagong have been used in medicine to treat dysentery, diarrhea, and respiratory issues. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.